Namaste, welcome back to Sampada Unplugged. I'm so excited to share something super delicious and refreshing with you today. That is lemon coconut poha. This is vibrant, easy to make dish that blends the tang of lemon, the richness of coconut and the comfort of poha. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast or tasty snack, this one's sure to hit the spot. So grab your ingredients and let's dive into this mouth-watering recipe. Let's get cooking. Guys, I choose poha as my first cooking vlog because poha is my favorite dish. So I just love to cook it. It origins lies in Maharashtra, whether it is commonly eaten for breakfast or as a light snack, and is also known for being quick to prepare, light and flavorful, making it a beloved dish across Indian households. And there you have it, folks. Your delicious lemon coconut poha is ready to enjoy. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. It's quick, easy, and packed with flavors. Don't forget to try it at home and let me know how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more yummy recipes, and share it with your friends. Thanks for turning it to Sampada Unplugged. See you next time with more tasty treats. Until then, happy cooking!